Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson, we will learn about the syllabus and paper pattern of the second year class. And this new book contain about 17 chapters that starts from chapter 17, which is group 2 elements. 18 is transition elements, and there are organic chemistry chapters, basics of organic chemistry, aromatic hydrocarbon, halogenoalkanes, hydroxy compounds, carbonyl compounds, and carboxylic acid, organic nitrogen compounds. Chapter 25 is organic synthesis, polymers, biochemistry, chromatography, spectroscopy. There are two chapters of spectroscopy. One will contain UV spectroscopy, and chapter 30 is about nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. Chapter 31 is material and energy, 32 medicine, agriculture and industry, and last chapter is water. Now let's see paper pattern for the second year paper. Paper will contain 85 marks and timing of the paper will be 3 hours. Question number 1, which is objective part, it will be of 17 marks. Each question will carry 1 marks, and there are 17 chapters in this book, so one MCQ will be included from each chapter. Part 2 is subjective part. Question number 2 is short questions. 8 short questions will be attempted out of 12, and short questions will be included from chapter 17, which is group 2 element. Chapter 18, which is transition elements. One question from each chapter will be included. 3 short questions will be taken from chapter 3, which is basics of organic compounds. 2 short questions will be included from chapter 20, which is aromatic hydrocarbon. 3 short questions will be included from chapter 24, which is organic nitrogen compound. 2 short questions will be included from chapter 25, which is organic synthesis. So major portion of this question is from organic chemistry. Almost 10 questions are from organic part. Question number 3 also contains short questions. 8 short questions will be solved out of 12. Details is given. One short question will be included from chapter 21, which is halogenoalkane. One question will be included from chapter 22, which is hydroxy compound. 2 short questions will be included from chapter 23, which is carbonyl compound. 2 short questions will be included from chapter 27, which is biochemistry. 3 short questions will be included from chapter 28, which is chromatography, and 3 short questions will be included from chapter 29, which is spectroscopy 1. Question number 4, that is also containing short questions, and 6 short questions will be solved out of 9 short questions. One short question will be included from chapter 26, which is polymer. 2 short questions will be included from chapter 30, which is spectroscopy 2, NMR. 2 short questions will be included from chapter 31, which is material and energy. 2 short questions will be included from chapter 32, which is medicine, agriculture and industry. 2 short questions will be included from chapter 33, which is water. So short questions part is completed, and after that part third is the subjective part. Descriptive question will be included, and from this section 5 questions are included containing A and B parts. Each will carry 4 plus 4 marks, and student will attempt only 3 questions from this part. So question number 5. First descriptive question will be taken from chapter 17, A part, 4 marks containing, and it is group 2 element. And B part will be taken from chapter 21, which is halogenoalkane. Question number 6. A part will be taken from chapter 18, which is transition elements, and B part will be taken from chapter 26, which is polymer. Question number 7. A part will be taken from chapter 20, and this chapter is aromatic hydrocarbon. B part will be taken from chapter 31, and it is material and energy chapter. Question number 8. A part will be taken from chapter 22. This chapter is hydroxy compound. B part will be taken from chapter 32, which is medicine, agriculture and industry. Question number 9. It will include chapter 23, which is carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acids. Chapter 33, which is water. So this portion will contain 24 marks. Model paper for second year is also given in the textbook. Subjective part contains 17 questions and it has 17 marks. Time to solve will be 20 minutes. Students will have to attempt one option out of the 4 options. So if one question will be included from each chapter, as there are 17 chapters. And subjective part will start from short question part. This part will contain question number 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2 and 3 will contain 12 questions, and students will solve 8 questions from each question. And question number 4, it will have 12 short questions, and student will solve 6 short questions from this question. And second part will be the subjective part, and here 5 descriptive questions are included, and students will solve only 3 short questions. So that is the model paper, syllabus and paper pattern for the second year.